Hey, what's up folks? My name is Ashok Joshi. Welcome to AJ Media YouTube channel. In this video, we'll be learning about CD command in detail. So without wasting any time, let's start with the video. So we will quickly go over CD command. So there is nothing much special in CD command. So watch this video till the end and you will be good to go with CD command. So if you are new to my channel, consider subscribing and click on that bell icon so that you will never miss any update. And if you like this video, do like it, and if you think it will benefit others, then share it with others as well, your friends or anyone. So let's get back to CD command. So what is CD command? CD command in Linux is basically used as changing the directory. So the thing what you should know here is how this CD command works. So in the CLI, you will just write CD and directory name. So this is the syntax how you will be writing CD command. Okay. So normally in Windows operating system, what you will do, you will just hit your cursor to a folder and double click and you will navigate, right? So the same thing is here. You will use CD and then the directory name and you will navigate inside a particular folder. It is as simple as it sounds. Let me erase this. So the first thing that I will show you is how you can navigate inside a particular directory. So let me see what is there here, ls-ltr. So here you can see I have so many directories here. Let's navigate into one of the directory, which is test. Okay, so what you will do, you'll write cd test. So as simple as it sounds, and if I hit enter, I'll be inside my test directory. If I list, I have sample here. So if you want to come one step back, or if you want to come to the parent directory, so how can I go back? cd ... So this I have showed you in my previous video. Okay, so you might be knowing this. Now the next thing that I will show you is how you can navigate to your root directory. It's pretty simple. Just write cd and /. So root directory basically represents the topmost directory in the Linux file system or the hierarchy of file system. So if you write cd and root, no matter wherever you are in the file system, you will navigate to your root directory. That's it. So now here you can see it's the root directory, and root directory is represented by /. If I write ls, I will see the content. It is as simple as it sounds. Now I am in my root directory. So if I want to come back to my user's home directory, what I will do, I'll just write cd and this tilde. So this tilde is located below the escape key in your keyboard, and if I hit enter, I'll be back to my home directory. So you can write this as well, cd and tilde, or else you can write cd and just hit enter. You will be there. Okay, cool. So let me just clear my screen. So if you want to clear the screen, you can write this command clear, or else you can use a shortcut which is called as Ctrl+L. This will clear the screen. Okay, so now if I want to see what is there, the content, I will just write ll. So it's the short form how you can write for long listing. It will show you whatever is there. So now if I want to see what is there inside test, what I will do, I'll just write cd and test, and inside this test, what is there? We have sample. If you want to go to sample, you will write cd sample. What is there inside sample? We have another one directory which is called as sample test. And here what do we have? We have test.txt. So you see, we navigated so many times to reach this test.txt file. So we used a cd sample, we used a cd sample test in order to reach here. So what if you don't want to do all these steps and in just one go you want to reach here? I'll show you how you can do it. So let me go back to my home directory of users. And now if I want to reach this test.txt file in just one go, what I will do is I'll just write cd and I will write test, and after this what I will do is I will write sample test, and if I hit enter and if I see ls, I am inside this sample test directory. Simple, right? Cool. Let's come back to the user's home directory. Let's clear the screen again. If you write ll, you will get the long listing. Now what I want to show you is how you can navigate to a directory that is having white spaces, What do I mean by white spaces? If you see this my personal directory, you see here there are so many spaces, right? Here we have a space, here we have a space. So if you want to navigate to this my personal directory, what you will do, if I write cd my personal directory, if I hit enter, just think once, will it execute? Will it work? Okay, let's see whatever happens. Let's see. Oh, we got an error. What it is saying? It is saying there are too many arguments. So what is happening here is this cd command, it is just considering this one as a folder. So if you see here, this entire thing is a particular folder, right? There is no folder with the name of mine. So what you have to do here is you will have to make sure that while selecting cd command, it escapes this white spaces. So that's how you can navigate to this my personal directory. However, I will never recommend you to name your directory with such kind of name with white spaces. So now the problem is how we can navigate to this thing. Well, there are two solutions for this. The first one is you will have to use double quotes, and here you can write my personal directory, and if you hit enter, you will be inside my personal directory. So this is one way. Let's get back one step back. So the second way is if you want to escape this this white space, what you can do here is you can write cd my, and then you can make use of backward slash, and then you can hit a space, and after that you can write personal. After then you have this backward slash because there is a space here, and after that you can finally finish off with the directory name. And if you hit enter, you will be navigated to this my personal directory. So that's another way how you can navigate to this particular folder or directory. Okay, so that's it about cd command, and I hope you all enjoyed this video about cd command. If you want to learn more about cd command, then what you can do is you can type this command, which is help, and give a space and then cd, so that you can learn more about cd command. So the reason why I did not show man pages in this video is because of the reason that cd is basically a shell built-in command, and it does not contain an executable file, for example like how we have for ls, pwd and so on. Now if you are not getting what I was saying right now, then do not worry, I will cover these topics when I will be covering man pages in detail. Okay, so for now just use help, and then for example like how we used help cd to get details of cd command, and that's how you can come to know about cd command. And I hope this video was helpful and you were able to gain some knowledge. If yes, if you gained some knowledge from this video, then do one thing, just hit that like button and share this video with your friends, so that they might get some benefit from my video. And if you are new to my channel, then please make sure that you subscribe to this channel and hit that bell icon, so that you will never miss any update whenever I will be posting a new video in future. So more videos are about to come, so you make sure you subscribe to this channel for awesome content. And that's it for this video. I will catch you up in my next video. So till then, bye bye, take care.